how to search for custom filters and effects on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can search for custom filters and effects on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to search for custom filters and effects on Snapchat, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all, make sure to launch the Snapchat application here. As you launch the Snapchat app, what you want to do is if you want to search for something, you just want to scroll to the right hand side, or whenever you try to scroll, you'll find the search icon from the bottom right. When you tap on the search icon from the bottom right, you should be able to see a list of filters available. Now let's say you want a certain filter over here, which could be, let's say, a photos filter. You can choose to add a photo filter. If you want a sky filter, let's say, you can just type in sky filter and you should be able to find all the filters related to sky or any sort of searches that you have made. And if you want to use them, you can just select that particular filter depending upon its usage. You can just go ahead and then enter whatever else you prefer here. And this way you should be able to search for custom filters and effects on Snapchat. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.